Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the last week lab, we had started this assignment, clear assignment number 4. And I think 6 to 7 example we had done. Clear? Question number 1, that is definition of graph, and then after statement of first theorem and its proof. In the example number 2, there are some graphs is given that, and here you have to find degree of all the vertex, and then after add one more question that they also verify the first theorem. Okay. Then after question number 3, that we had done it here, and that we have draw the graph by using the given condition. Clear. Then after question number 4, that is also one theorem. Clear, is so that maximum number of edges in simple graph, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. Question number 5, that is theorem number 2, prove that odd degree vertices, that is always a even. Okay. And then after question number 6, I think we have also done it. Yeah. How many questions we have done it in the last lab? Up to the 7 or 8? Up to the 7. Okay. Okay, so let's start the remaining example. Question number 8. In the question number 8, we have two graphs is given that, okay, 1 and 2, which includes some vertices, edges, okay. And here you have to draw the picture of subgraph of G minus A, G minus F, and G minus small f, okay. So G minus A, that is one of the part of deletion of the vertex, okay. So in the first graph, you have to apply this all this condition, okay. Uh, you have to consider G minus A, G minus F, and G minus H, okay. So apply this three properties, okay, means deletion of the vertex to the first graph. What does it mean? Okay, what is meaning of G minus A? That is a graph G, okay, that is our graph G. Both are the graph G, clear? And you have to consider G minus A. What does it mean? You have to delete this vertex A from this graph. Okay, remove this vertex A to this graph. So what is the remaining step? As we know that edges also will be removed when we delete any of the vertex. Clear? Two edges are connected with the A. So this edges also will be removed. Okay. So what is the remaining step in the first case? Okay, the remaining step will be this one. Clear? You just draw it again. Clear? That is the remaining graph when we delete A from this graph G. Here when we delete vertex A from this graph. So that is known as the subgraph of this graph G. Clear? So ऐसे ही आपको find करना है G minus F. So what is G minus F? You just delete vertex F from this graph. Okay, remove it from this graph and draw the remaining shape of the graph. Okay, draw the remaining shape of the graph, and that is answer of G minus F. Okay, and third one G minus small h. So small h is given here. That is age is mentioned between C and D. Okay, so just delete this edges between C and D, and rest of the part of the graph will be as it is there. Okay, and do it for the second graph also. Okay, so is there any query? Just complete it. It's very easy. Clear? To find the G minus F, again consider the main graph. ठीक है, फिर से आपको main graph है वो consider करना है, and then after remove the F. So A will be as it is in the second graph. Okay, in the second answer. If you have query, please ask. Okay, we'll discuss it here again. in the second graph h are given in between a to e, ठीक है, in the second graph. First graph में c और d के बीच में h है. In the second graph it is mentioned in between a and e, ठीक है, in between a to e the h is that, so just delete it. Okay, and rest of all the vertex will be as it is there. Okay, when we remove any edge, ठीक है, आप कोई edge remove करते हो तो vertex will be as it is that. Okay, no any vertex will be removed. But when we delete any vertex, ठीक है, कोई vertex आप remove करते हो उसके साथ जितनी भी edge connected है वो सभी remove हो जाएगी, ठीक है. Okay, all of you have done it. Is there any confusion? For the graph of g minus f, okay, which edges you have to delete? This a to f will be removed, okay, then after g to f will be removed, clear, and f to e will be removed, okay, with this vertex f. ये तीनों एज यहाँ से निकल जाएगी, ठीक है, and rest of the part is this black line set, okay, black line graph a b g c d e, that is answer of g minus f. Okay, वेरीफाई और आंसर विद दैट. जो रेड लाइन है और विद दिस वर्टेक्स वो आपको रिमूव करनी है, ठीक है, बिकॉज वी डिलीट वर्टेक्स एफ. ओके, ये एफ यहाँ से निकल जाएगा पूरा, ठीक है, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट इज आवर आंसर. क्लियर, इट इज ग्राफ ऑफ जी माइनस एफ. क्लियर, इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? All of you have done it? Neville? Yeah. Yes, have you done it? All of you have done it or not? Kalpana, Neville, Rusi, Vasu. If you have doubt, please ask. Okay, it is very important.
सर g माइनस h तो सिर्फ 2 में ही होगा ना?
G minus
h.
G minus h means only remove the age name. Okay, age notation is that. Small h means age notation.
In only 2, no? Because in 1 there is no h.
Okay, it is also given in first graph also. That is in between C and D. That is age.
Okay,
is
you
that.
removed the notation, so I forgot.
Okay, so that is h. Shift delete hoga in the third case, G minus h. And now do it for second graph. So in second graph we have.
Okay, then 1 minute I just do it, the first one.
Right. Okay, in the second graph, first case is g minus a. ठीक है, so this edge will be delete. Okay, a के साथ ये delete हो जाएगा. Clear? And that is your remaining set. हाँ, that will be isolated. ओके, इन द सेकंड ग्राफ g माइनस ए का ग्राफ कैसा होगा, ये यहाँ से आपको डिलीट करना है, ठीक है, उसके साथ ये एज भी निकल जाएगी, सेकंड एज एंड द थर्ड एज. ओके, दैट इज शेप ऑफ g माइनस ए. इज इट क्लियर? All of you check it, your answer with this graph. The black line will be the remaining graph. Okay, this red line will be removed with this vertex a. ठीक है, यहाँ पे a है, a के साथ आपको ये तीनों एज भी रिमूव करनी है, ठीक है, बिकॉज दे आर कनेक्ट विद द a. सेकंड में g माइनस एफ का केस कैसा होगा, f यहाँ से आपको डिलीट करना है, f will be removed. Okay, so with four edges are connect with the f, so this edge will be removed. Okay, this edge will be removed, remaining vertex are as it is. Okay, बाकी सब vertex as it is रहेंगे, f रिमूव होगा तो उसके साथ चारों एज भी रिमूव होगी, और जो vertex g है यहाँ पे that will be isolated. Okay, because degree of the g will be now 0, so we can say it is isolated vertex. ठीक है, a b c d e h and g will be stay as it is here. Okay, f will be removed and with the f all the four edges also will be removed. ठीक है, उसके साथ चारों एज जो है वो भी यहाँ पे आपको रिमूव करनी है. ठीक है, okay, that is f will be removed, g will be removed and this part will be removed. ठीक है, ये जो रेड लाइन मैंने यहाँ पे मार्क की है ये ग्राफ में से आपको डिलीट करना है. ठीक है, रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट इज एज इट्स. और इन द थर्ड वन g माइनस एच. ठीक है, सो ये एज आप सिर्फ डिलीट कर दो यहाँ से. ठीक है, एच सिर्फ रिमूव होगा बिटवीन ए टू ई एंड रिमेनिंग ग्राफ एज इट इज. ओके, सो दिस आर द पार्ट ऑफ द ग्राफ. ओके, and we just create by deletations of some vertex and edges, so that graphs are known as a subgraph. Okay, is there any query in the question number 8 to anyone? Okay, so if you've done it, then start the next example, question number 9. Okay, we already discussed what is the definition of Hamiltonian graph, Euler graph, and in Peterson graph there is no, we have definition there. So in Peterson graph you just draw its design. Okay, draw the picture of Peterson graph. But Hamiltonian में और Euler में आपको definitions लिखनी है. ठीक है, what is meaning of Hamiltonian graph and what is Euler graph. Okay, to revise this topic you can refer the lecture note I already uploaded in your e-content. ठीक है, if revision is required you just refer the definition again and its example again. Clear? And then check it. Okay, in this questions you have to write first definition of Hamiltonian graph and then after give any of its counter example. ठीक है, so write definition plus example, any example you can consider. ठीक है, तो लेक्चर बुक में लिखा वही ड्रॉ करना जरूरी नहीं है, आप कोई भी एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हो. ठीक है, विथ एनी नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्स, एनी नंबर ऑफ एजेस. For a counter example, you can give any example, okay? In exam, if it is asked for a 6 mark, define a Hamiltonian and Euler graph with example, ठीक है? तो वहाँ पे आप कोई भी example लिख सकते हो. You just first define what is a Hamiltonian graph, what is a Euler graph, okay? And then after consider one of its example and check that which Euler line, which Hamiltonian circuit the graph is contained, okay? Mention it and then write your conclusion. This is a Hamiltonian graph, okay? That is a complete answer for a 6 mark. Write first both the definition, okay? और दोनों का अलग अलग एग्जाम्पल आप कंसिडर करो एंड देन चेक ऑयलर लाइन, ओके? एंड देन write your conclusion. It is Euler graph, and then draw another graph which is Hamiltonian, okay? And then write Hamiltonian circuit, which circuit you to mention in this graph, and then write a conclusion. Okay, based on this Hamiltonian circuit, it is a Hamiltonian graph. Okay? When you done it, please mention in chat box. And in Peterson graph, you just draw it picture only, okay? Draw the graph only. And you can write one of result. Peterson graph is not a Hamiltonian, okay, as well as not a Euler. That is one of the result for Peterson graph. All of you have done it, all the three examples. How many of you have done it? Question number 9. Okay, done. Neville has completed. Good. And after, okay, Arshit has done. ओके, और समझना है, ऐसे कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं करना है, ठीक है? और डेफिनेशन आपको समझनी है कि उसका मीनिंग क्या है, ओके? एंड दैट ऑल द डेफिनेशन आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द एग्जाम. अगर ऑफलाइन एग्जाम होती है, मिड वन, फाइनल, so all this data are very important, okay? Okay, on
सर
the
डिफाइन लिखा हो तो वर्ड टू वर्ड लिखना चाहिए या ओन वर्ड्स में लिखा है तो चलेगा?
if you write your own word, the meaning should be same, okay? So meaning है Euler graph का, वो change नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Then you can write your own sentence, okay? You can modify the sentence also.
Okay.
The meaning should be same. Meaning क्या है? In such close work, you have to cover every age is exactly one time. ठीक है? That is a main important should be point to check any graph is a Euler or not. Okay? So that should be you to involve in your sentence. ठीक है? वो आपके जो सेंटेंस आप बनाते हो, ठीक है, डेफिनेशन है, उसमें इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए. every age, that is word is important, ठीक है, every age, अगर every आपने निकाल दिया and you just mention only age, ठीक है, then it is wrong, clear. And close walk, that is also important, but in place of close walk you have to mention only walk, okay, then it is also wrong, clear. So जो भी आप डिफाइन करते हो, ठीक है, अपनी अपने सेंटेंस में, तो जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है यू टू इंक्लूड, ठीक है, वो आपको इंक्लूड करना है,
Should cover all the edges.
all the ages, yeah, exactly one time, exactly one time, that is also important, you cannot repeat any age more than one time.
Okay, ये भी ऐड कर लेता हूँ.
Okay, so definition of Euler graph, okay, in the graph, if we have to find one close walk which covered every edge exactly one time, then such close walk is known as a Euler line, and the graph consists such Euler line is called the Euler graph, okay. And then after, draw one graph which is the Euler, okay. In that you have to mention one of the graph, okay, by taking any number of vertices, verify that all the vertex should have degree even, ठीक है, as we know one result to verify any graph is Euler or not, सभी vertex की डिग्री क्या रहनी चाहिए, even, ठीक है. If it is even, then it is easily to create one Euler line, ठीक है, which covered every edge exactly one time. And then after, write Hamiltonian graph definition. So what is the definition of Hamiltonian graph? In the circuit, okay, the graph G, you have to create one circuit which covered every vertex exactly one time. Then such circuit is known as a Hamiltonian circuit, and the graph consists such circuit is called Hamiltonian graph, okay. And then after, draw one graph, and in such graph you have to create one circuit which covered every vertex exactly one time except starting and ending, ठीक है, that is second one. And then after, third one, Peterson graph. So draw a design of Peterson graph, okay. First make a pentagon, clear, consider one of the pentagon, and now connect it, okay. And then after, consider 5 vertex to the inside and create one star by taking this 5 vertex, ठीक है, इससे एक स्टार बनाना है आपको इनसाइड में. And then after, connect this ending point to the, that is known as a Peterson graph. And you can write your conclusion. Peterson graph is not a Euler and not a Hamilton. Is there any query to anyone now? All of you have completed these questions. Kalpana, Mayank, Vasu, Gopal. Have you done it? Okay. What about other student? Gopal, Harsh, Love, Bhavya. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please ask. ठीक है, ऐसे ही बैठना नहीं है कि कुछ नहीं करेंगे तो चलेगा. So that reflect your result also. Okay. So just do it by yourself. It's very easy, not a difficult. Okay. Okay, so all of you have done it. Now start the next example, question number 10. And in question number 10, check the following graph, Hamiltonian graph or not. Okay, four graphs is given that, and you have to check is Hamiltonian graph or not. If it is Hamiltonian graph, also mention a Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, also write a Hamiltonian circuit after this graph. Okay, so first draw the graph in your book, clear, and then after write the answer. Okay, is it Hamiltonian? If it is Hamiltonian, then mention the Hamiltonian सर्किट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको हैमिल्टनियन सर्किट भी लिखनी है. इफ इट इज नॉट हैमिल्टनियन then write a conclusion. It is not Hamiltonian, so therefore you cannot define Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, तो फर्स्ट ग्राफ हैमिल्टनियन है. Yes. What is your aim? Okay, you to start with any vertex. ठीक है, कोई vertex आप start करो. Move on the graph and check that can we covered every vertex exactly one time in such circuit or not. ठीक है, मीन्स जहाँ से आपने स्टार्ट किया से या वहीं आपको फिर से पहुंचना है. ठीक है, आपकी जर्नी उस सेम प्लेस पे एंड करनी है. ठीक है, so move on the graph and check that can we covered every vertex exactly one time or not. If it is a true, then it is Hamiltonian. If it is not true, means it is not possible, then it is not Hamiltonian. Yeah, what is the answer of first one? सर्किट भी वहां पे नीचे लिखनी है. ठीक है, आफ्टर द ग्राफ. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू चेक इट. व्हाट इज योर कंक्लूजन? इज इट हैमिल्टनियन और नॉट? गोपाल, वासु, पार्थिव, you check it. There is no any answer from Gopal yet. Okay, good. Are you trying or not? Okay, nice. So what is the conclusion? This first graph is Hamiltonian. Okay. Start with the vertex A. ठीक है? This is my starting place. Okay, that is A is my starting place. ठीक है, यहाँ से मैं start कर रहा हूँ. My aim is I have to visit every vertex exactly one time. ठीक है, मेरा aim क्या है कि मुझे जितने भी places है as a mention as a vertex, उसको मुझे एक बार कनेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, एक बार विजिट करना है और फिर से मैंने जहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है वहां पे मेरी जर्नी एंड करनी है. दैट इज मीनिंग ऑफ हैमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ. ठीक है, सो एज पर द एजेस let's first visit the B. Okay, you can visit the G also, F also, C also. ठीक है, any route you can follow. Then after visit the B to C, okay. Then after C to D or D to E, clear. And then after E to F, okay. Either I can also visit the G, then after F, and then after A. Otherwise, first visit the F here, okay, and then after G, and then after A. Clear? So in this red line walk, okay, in this red line circuit, I can visit all the vertex exactly one time. Okay, it is a true, clear, that is a possible in this graph, clear. So therefore this graph is a Hamiltonian graph. Okay, इसका conclusion क्या निकलेगा कि yes it is Hamiltonian graph. Okay, yes it is Hamiltonian graph.
सर पाथ नहीं लिखना ना?
हाँ, yes,
पाथ लिखना है.
हाँ, you have to also mention the circuit after that. ठीक है, path is not given here but you can also mention okay, for your reference.
1, 2 and 3 are Hamiltonian and 4 is not Hamiltonian.
4 is not Hamiltonian. So here mention Hamiltonian circuit. Which circuit you can consider here? You can consider the circuit as a A to B, okay. Then after B to C, C to D, clear. D, then after E, E to F, F to G, and G to A. That is your complete answer of first one, okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. That is the complete answer. Clear? अगर एज नोटेशन वहां पे है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो इंक्लूड द एज बिटवीन देम. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज कि यहाँ पे E1 एज है, ठीक है, दिस इज E2 एज, दैट इज E3 एज, इट इज E4 एज. यू कैन राइट आंसर इन सच फॉर्म A E1B, okay, E2C, E3D and so on. Clear? If age notation is mentioned. If it is not mentioned, you can write A to B, B to C, C to D and so on. Okay, that is the conclusion of first graph. Now check for second one.
A, B, D, F, E, C.
Yeah, that's correct. Just move on the boundary only. ठीक है, inside पे आपको जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. From starting place, let's take a A. ठीक है, that is A is my starting place. Then after A to B, okay, C to D, okay, D to F, F to E, E to C, and from C I can again reach back to the A. ठीक है, ऐसे मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ सभी वर्टेक्स को विजिट करके. ठीक है, सभी वर्टेक्स विजिट हो गए एक बार. ठीक है, और फिर से मैं ए पे जर्नी एंड कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है, दैट्स पॉसिबल इन दिस ग्राफ. सो यहाँ पे इसका आंसर आएगा यस इट इज हैमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ. ओके, ये हैमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ है बिकॉज इट कंटेन हैमिल्टोनियन सर्किट एज अ which circuit you can consider A E1B, okay, then after E2D, and then after E3F, okay, then after E4E, E6C and E7A. Here from A to A all the vertex are covered. Okay, that is answer of second one. And then after check for third graph. First draw it, clear, and then after check can you find such circuit which include every vertex exactly one time or not. Okay.
सर हो जाता है फिर कंप्लीट नहीं होता लूप. फिर से ए से स्टार्ट किया तो फिर से ए पे नहीं पहुंचता.
थर्ड में
हाँ.
ना, इट्स हैमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ए. ठीक है, A to B, just first में complete this outside all the edges. A to B, B to C, C to D, okay, D to E. E से फिर से A तक नहीं पहुंचना है. ठीक है, E से आप इनसाइड सभी वर्टेक्स आपको विजिट करना है. तो E to I will visit the N, okay, that is vertex N here, and then after
M साइड में गया था.
it is down side, otherwise upward side you can use. So N to M, L, okay, L to K, K to J, J to I to N, okay, I to H, and H to G. Okay, now from G, clear, from G, enter to the inside 5 vertex.
हाँ हाँ दिख गया अभी. O Q R S T P F.
R S T S T. Then after visit the P, and from P you can visit the F, and F2 again you can complete the A.
ओके हाँ, मैं क्या कर रहा था कि पहले इनर सर्कल इनर स्टार करके टी से एंटर हो रहा था, इसलिए फिर से ऊपर नहीं जा सकता था। ओके
Okay, so answer of third graph, that is also Hamiltonian graph. So your right conclusion, yes, it is Hamiltonian. Okay, Hamiltonian graph. And then after write your cycle. Okay, so here cycle will be A, then after B, B to C, C to D, okay, and D to E. That is complete a boundary. और E से आपको visit करना है M, ठीक है? So M, then after M, sorry, it is
सर
M.
एन।
N to M, okay, M to L, clear? L to it is K J, okay, L K J,
आई
G
एच जी
J I H, is I, then after H,
जी
H, then after G, and G to O Q R, O Q R, S T P, S T P, then after P, और P से फिर से
एफ ए।
then after A. That is your root. Clear? Okay. Now in last graph, is it not possible? Okay. Okay. If you start with any vertex, we cannot complete a cycle. Clear? Which covered every vertex exactly one time. You just start with any of your vertex of this graph. ठीक है? कोई भी आप starting place ले सकते हो. Let's start with the B. ठीक है? So B to A. ठीक है? Then after A to D, or D to E, D to F, and F to you can reach to the G. And from G there is no any walk, no any edge we have to make again reach to the B. And still this C is also remaining. Okay. So in that it is not covered any such close, any such circuit which covered every vertex exactly one time. तो यहाँ पे इसका conclusion आएगा not Hamiltonian graph. Okay, because it does not contain a Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, it does not contain Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, so is there any query to anyone in question number 10?
नो सर।
Okay. All the students, do you any doubt? Okay. So now start question number 11. That you have to first check Eulerian graph or not. Okay. If it is Eulerian, mention Eulerian circuit. Clear? Euler line. And then after also check that is Hamiltonian graph or not. Okay. So दोनों कंडीशन को यहाँ पे आपको वेरीफाई करना है. ठीक है. Euler as well as Hamiltonian. पहले ग्राफ ड्रॉ करो. And then after verify for Eulerian case. And then after Hamiltonian.
Sir, first is not Euler
Yes,
because
it's correct.
H has three edges.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. First is not Euler graph. And then after check it for Hamiltonian also.
सर हैमिल्टोनियन भी नहीं हो रहा, ई 2 बार आ रहा है.
It is also not Hamiltonian.
यस, इसीलिए.
सेकंड ऑयलर है सर.
सर ऑयलर ग्राफ तो फिर से स्टार्टिंग पे नहीं होना चाहिए ना, वो तो कभी भी एंड, कहीं पे भी एंड हो सकता है ना.
Yes. What is this one? What is your questions? I didn't hear.
नो सर, डन.
So first one is not a Hamiltonian as well as not a Euler. Okay. And second one is a Hamiltonian as well as Euler. Okay. Let's verify the first one. Why it is not a Euler. Okay. So in Euler graph, what is our aim in Euler graph? Okay. To check given graph is Euler or not. You have to start with one vertex. ठीक है, कोई vertex आपको start करना है and move on this graph. Graph में आपको move करना है, ऐसे move करना है कि जिससे आप सभी एज एक बार कवर्ड करो, ठीक है। मीन्स यू टू फाइंड सच क्लोज वॉक, आपको एक ऐसी एक क्लोज वॉक बनानी है जिसमें ग्राफ की सभी एज एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम कवर्ड हो जाए, ठीक है। दैट इज आवर एम इन टू वेरीफाई गिवन ग्राफ इज अ ऑयलर और नॉट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वर्टेक्स ए, ठीक है। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन एनी डायरेक्शन, कोई भी डायरेक्शन आप ले सकते हो, ए टू सी, देन आफ्टर सी टू बी, ओके, बी टू ई, क्लियर, ई टू अगेन ई टू एफ, एफ टू जी, G to H, H to D, okay, D to again let us E, clear, and from E you have these directions to complete a circuit, okay, A, and still two edges is remaining to connect, okay. And if you change any of the starting place, okay, if you change your starting place, then it is not possible to cover every edge exactly one, okay. It is not possible to manage every edge exactly one, clear. और जो इवन डिग्री वाला केस है वो भी आप यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हो, ठीक है। चेक डिग्री ऑफ ऑल द वर्टेक्स इज इवन, ठीक है। फर्स्ट अप्लाई दिस कंडीशन एंड देन आफ्टर चेक इज ऑयलर लाइन एग्जिस्ट और नॉट। So if degree of all the vertex is even, then it is always a Hamiltonian, always a Euler graph. Okay. So here degree of the H and G. Okay, that is a vertex H here. It has a degree 3, and that is vertex G here. It is also degree 3. Clear. So therefore, it is not possible to create such Euler line. Okay, it is not possible to create such closed walk which covered every edge exactly one time. Okay. So here conclusion क्या आएगा कि here this graph does not contain Euler line. Okay, means closed walk which covered every edge exactly one time. It does not contain Euler line, so thus it is not Euler graph. Okay, it is not Euler graph. And then after second conclusion for Hamiltonian, here this graph does not contain Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, let's check for a Hamiltonian graph. Is it or Hamiltonian or not? तो Hamiltonian में एम क्या होगा आपका कि आपको कोई वर्टेक्स से स्टार्ट करना है एंड यू टू जस्ट फोकस एवरी वर्टेक्स एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम, ठीक है। एवरी वर्टेक्स एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ए अगेन। ए से आपने स्टार्ट किया, A to C, okay, C to B, B to E, okay, E to F, F to G, G to H, okay, and from H to D, and from D you to visit E, and then after reach back to the A, ठीक है। बट E is already used, ठीक है, एक बार हमने already use कर लिया है E को, so we cannot use the again, clear, E is repeated here, so therefore it is not possible to create such a circuit which covered every vertex exactly one time. Okay, so here in the circuit E is repeated 2 times. Okay, means it does not contain Hamiltonian. Okay, does not contain Hamiltonian circuit. Therefore, it is not Hamiltonian graph. Okay, that is the answer of the first graph. Clear? And now answer for second graph. Let's first check for Euler. Okay, is it Euler or not? So यहाँ पे सभी की डिग्री पहले चेक कर लो Euler के लिए। तो डिग्री ऑफ A is a 2, okay, D as a 4, F as a 4, G as a 4, E as a 4, C as a 2, and B as a 4. So all the vertex have even degree. ठीक है, ग्राफ में सभी जितने भी वर्टेक्स है सभी की डिग्री इवन है, ठीक है। So what is your conclusion? We can easily create such Euler line. Clear? So let's create this Euler line. You to just start with the A, ठीक है। A से आपने स्टार्ट किया। Our aim is you to cover every edge exactly one time, ठीक है। आपका एम क्या है, ग्राफ में आपको ऐसे मूव करना है कि जिससे ग्राफ की सभी एज एक बार कवर्ड हो जाए, ठीक है, एक ही बार। You do not visit again any one edges. So A to D, okay, then after D to F, clear, F to L, F to G, and G to E, okay, E to C, and from C reach to the B. Clear? Its boundary is now done. B to A is remaining. Okay, we'll keep it as it is here because we will enter now to the inside star. Okay, so B से आपको जो inside से B है जो वो cover करनी है. ठीक है, so B to F again, F to E, E to D. Clear? D to G, and from G you can reach back to the B again, and from B you can complete, you can end your journey to the same place, that is a A. Okay, and now you can see that every edge are covered and it is also exactly one time. ठीक है, सभी एज हमने विजिट की है. ठीक है, here we can use any vertex more than one time. Okay, we can visit any vertex more than one time क्योंकि हम सभी एज पर फोकस कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, so if any vertex has a degree 4, okay, degree 2, so that will be visit multiple time. Okay, to cover every edge. So here it is Euler graph. Okay, because it contain Euler line, and here mention Euler line. Which Euler line? A to D. Okay, or D to F, F to G, G to E. Clear? E to C, C to B. Clear? B to F. Clear? F to E, E to D, D to G, D to B, and B to A. Okay, that is your root in the second graph. Yes. Then after Hamiltonian, you just take it. It is easy that, okay? क्योंकि all the vertex are placed to the boundary only. Okay, सभी place vertex है और सब boundary पे placed है. So we just move on the boundary. A to B, F, G, E, C, D, F. ठीक है? All the vertex are covered. Okay, to verify it is Hamiltonian or not, just move on the boundary. ठीक है, boundary पे इसे move करना है क्योंकि we just covered every vertex exactly one time. So A to D, D to F, F to G, G to E, E to C, C to B, and B to A. Clear? This blue shaded line, okay, that is our root to verify is Hamiltonian or not, and that easily satisfy one circuit which covered every vertex exactly one time. So conclusion आएगा Hamiltonian के लिए, that I write down it here. Okay, yes, it is Hamiltonian graph. Okay, because it contains Hamiltonian circuit, and that Hamiltonian circuit is a to D. Okay, or D to F, F to G, G to E, E to C, C to B, and B to A. Clear? That is your answer. Okay, is there any doubt in both graphs? Okay, is there any query to anyone? Any confusion? Kalpana, Neville, Hers? Gopal, Rumil. Have you done it? Okay, nice. Now, next examples are question number 12. Here question is what is a Peterson graph? Okay. Is the graph is Hamiltonian? Is it Euler? Explain your answer. ठीक है तो पहले उसका स्केच बनाना है. What is a Peterson graph? Clear? And then after write a conclusion for Hamiltonian as well as for Euler. Okay, and that we already discussed in the lecture. So first draw it the Peterson graph. Okay, and then write both the conclusion. Okay, that's
सर
now very
वन लाइनर चलेगा ना?
yes, yes. You can write add one more sentence. Case does not contain any Hamiltonian cycle, so it is not Hamiltonian graph. Okay, and same for Euler. It does not contain all the vertex have degree odd, so it does not contain Hamiltonian Euler line. Therefore, it is not a Euler graph. Okay, all of you done it? Question number 12.
Done, sir.
Okay, nice. Now next is question number 13. One graph is given there, and you have to check is Euler Hamiltonian or not. Okay, and then after if it is Hamiltonian, find all Hamiltonian cycle. Okay, so here we'll predict five different type of Hamiltonian cycle. Okay, five different. We predict five Hamiltonian cycle. Clear? How we can consider different Hamiltonian cycle? Clear? So just consider this graph. Okay, the second one, which is Hamiltonian. So here if we consider Hamiltonian cycle as a to D, then after F, G, E, C, D, and A. Clear? So you just change the root. Okay, change the starting place. Clear? Let's start with the D. Okay, and then after move to the inside now. Clear? And again reach back to the starting place. Clear? That is second Hamiltonian cycle. And then after chain another one starting place. Clear? And that will be your third Hamiltonian cycle. Clear? So these are the different Hamiltonian cycle. Okay. So here, yes. If you start with the D, what your cycle will be? You just move on this direction now. D to A, then after B, C, E, G, F, and D. That is second one. Okay. So find at least five Hamiltonian cycles. यहाँ से आप कोई स्टार्टिंग प्लेस चेंज कर दो, you will get another one Hamiltonian cycle. ठीक है? So first draw it, write a conclusion for Hamiltonian graph, okay? And then after write at least five. ठीक है? आप ज़्यादा भी लिख सकते हो, but you to just write at least five Hamiltonian cycle, okay?
सर टोटल कितने क्वेश्चन है?
हाँ, yes please.
टोटल कितने क्वेश्चन है इस असाइनमेंट में?
Now the last topic is remaining for the tree. Okay. So 14, 15, 16, 17. These are the remaining. Okay, and we'll add some more for the minimal weighted spanning. The two graphs is given there, but we'll add some more graph. Okay. So this question, okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, that we'll discuss in the next slide. First, complete the question number 13, and then we'll discuss some applications related to the graph theory. Okay. Okay, all of you have done it. Is it Hamiltonian graph?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But not no, it is not as
Okay, is it Hamiltonian graph? So आपका conclusion यहाँ पे आएगा कि yes, it is Hamiltonian graph. Okay, because it contains Hamiltonian cycle. Because it contains Hamiltonian cycle. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको different 5 Hamiltonian cycle mention करनी है. ठीक है? So what is the first Hamiltonian cycle? Just start with the A. Okay, A to C, C to E, E to D, D to F, F to B, clear, and B to A. सभी वर्टेक्स आ गए. ठीक है, एक बार. So just mention it here. A, then after C, then after E, okay, E to D, F, B, and A. That is the one answer. Okay, you can write this answer. Then after second one, now change the starting place. ठीक है, starting place आप
सर
change.
स्टार्टिंग प्लेस चेंज ना करके अंदर का सीक्वेंस चेंज करे तो वो चलेगा?
हाँ चलेगा चलेगा. That's also clear. But you just also if I rotate this vertex, ठीक है, that is also one possible answer. ठीक है, अगर मैं C को पहले लिख दूँ and then after change this sequence, okay, rotation it, so it is also one of the possible answer. But in some example you just also change the ages. Okay, ये हमने पहले C to E visit किया है, then now visit C to D, so this changes. Clear? That are the change. So let's start with the C first. Okay, you can consider C, E, D, F, B, A, and C. Okay, that is one rotation. C, E, D, then after F, then after B, then after A, and then after C. That is second. Now third one, let us find different one. Okay, just
सर A B C E D F.
yeah, that is also A, B, C, E, D, F, and A. Yeah, that is correct. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. Then after E, D, F, and then A. ठीक है, वो डिफरेंट हो गया पूरा. A to B पहले विजिट करना है, B to C विजिट करना है, C to E, D, F, and then A. ठीक है, that is different route. फोर्थ में आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. या D, E, C, B, A, F, D. ओके, D से आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, D to E, then after C, then after B, A, F, and D. Clear? D से स्टार्ट किया, से D पे एंड किया. Which route? D to E, then after C, B, B to F, B to A to F, and F to D. Clear? That is different one. And last में आप लिख सकते हो
सर B F A.
B, F, B,
No, no,
A,
no.
F, D, E, C, B. Clear? That is another one. Okay, and you can add some more example if you have. Okay, you can find, you just add some more cycle. Clear? Now this type of possibility will be not there. Okay, is there any query in the Hamiltonian Euler part? Okay, because today we have discussed lots of graph, okay, theory related to the Euler as well as Hamiltonian. Any of the query to anyone in this, any of the questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so the last part है, that is the concept of tree, spanning tree and so on, जो अभी चल रहा है class में. ठीक है, so first we'll finish it in this week. Okay, in the next week lab we'll discuss this 4 questions. Okay, we have to create some spanning tree, and then after minimal weighted spanning tree, one of the theorem is that. Okay, So that we'll discuss in the next lab. Clear?
सर एक सेकंड
Yeah.
ओके डन सर ये आपने अपलोड किया है ना
That I already uploaded.
ओके
Now today we'll discuss some of the applications related to our topic, where it is required in our engineering branch. Okay.